Dear IAS aspirants, good morning to you all. Many talented students fear that not being fluent in English is a hurdle in cracking the UPSC Civil Services exam. This is a misconception. Every year, numerous candidates succeed using non-English mediums. As per unofficial sources, in the 2023 exam, at least 51 candidates cleared the mains in their mother tongue, including 42 Hindi medium candidates, with the rest from other Indian languages. Out of 10-16 selected candidates, this number is significant, proving that success in UPSC is possible regardless of language choice. What does UPSC say about language? The UPSC allows candidates to write the mains exam in any of the 22 languages listed in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. The personality test known as interview can also be given in a regional language with an interpreter. Many toppers have succeeded using their native language. UPSC does not seek English professors but dedicated officers who serve with integrity, intelligence, and empathy. Language is not a barrier, your knowledge, effort, and determination define you. Before discussing the pros and cons of the non-English medium, let's explore inspiring toppers who achieved IAS success in their native language. Mohan Lal, AIR 53, UPSC 2023. From Burma, Rajasthan, Mohan Lal secured AIR 53 through the Hindi medium. Coming from a farming background, he pursued MSc in chemistry from IIT Kharagpur and chose chemistry as his optional subject. His success proves that Hindi medium aspirants can achieve greatness with dedication and strategy. Vinod Kumar Meena, AIR 135, UPSC 2023. An IIT Roorkee alumnus, Vinod Kumar Meena cracked UPSC in his 6th attempt through the Hindi medium. Overcoming resource limitations and the challenge of the Devanagari script, he stressed early answer writing practice and CSAT preparation for success. Arpit Kumar, AIR 136, UPSC 2023. From Chitrakoot, Madhya Pradesh, Arpit Kumar secured AIR 136 through the Hindi medium, with Hindi literature as his optional. His journey inspires Hindi medium candidates to excel in national exams with confidence and strategic preparation. Shantappa Kurubar, AIR 644, UPSC 2023. From a rural background, Shantappa worked as a sub-inspector while preparing. He pursued his education in Kannada and wrote mains in the same medium, proving that determination and strategy can overcome language barriers. Kritika Mishra, AIR 66, UPSC 2022. Kritika Mishra, a Hindi medium candidate, secured AIR 66, proving the potential of Hindi medium aspirants. Choosing Hindi literature as her optional and writing in Hindi, she encouraged aspirants to stay determined and focused. Divya Tan War, AIR 105, UPSC 2022. Coming from a humble background in Haryana, Divya relied on self-study and online resources. Overcoming financial hardships and personal loss, she first cleared UPSC 2021 as an IPS officer and then secured IAS in 2022, inspiring Hindi medium students nationwide. Ravi Kumar Sihag, AIR 18, UPSC 2021. A farmer's son from Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan, Ravi Kumar Sihag pursued his education entirely in Hindi. With Hindi as his medium and Hindi literature as his optional, he became the highest-ranking Hindi medium candidate of 2021. Mohit Kasniya, AIR 61, UPSC 2021. From Hanumangarh, Rajasthan, Mohit relied on self-study and perseverance. After multiple attempts and initial failures, he cleared UPSC as an IPS officer and later secured IAS in his 7th attempt. Asim Kifayat Khan, AIR 558, UPSC 2020. From Dhule, Maharashtra, Asim studied in an Urdu medium school. In his 5th attempt, he wrote mains in Urdu, proving that language is not a limitation. M. Muruganantham, AIR 119, UPSC 2019. Despite fluency in English, Muruganantham chose to write in Tamil. His journey of 20 years of preparation and 7 years of relentless effort ended in success, inspiring Tamil medium students. Benefits of choosing a non-English medium in UPSC. 1. Comfort and clarity. Candidates can express themselves better in their native language, leading to confident mains answers. 2. Stronger conceptual understanding. Studying in one's mother tongue enhances grasp of subjects like history and polity. 3. Regional coaching and resources. Quality study materials and mentorship are increasingly available in regional languages. 4. UPSC support. Mains and interviews can be given in regional languages, ensuring fairness. 5. Better personality test performance. Native language use reduces stress and enhances communication. 6. Encourages diversity. Enables rural candidates to compete effectively. 7. Growing opportunities. More translated UPSC materials are now accessible. Drawbacks of choosing a non-English medium in UPSC. 1. Limited study material. Most UPSC books, newspapers, and online resources are in English, with translations often lacking accuracy. 2. Fewer coaching options. Quality coaching, test series, and mentorship are mainly available in English. 3. Answer writing challenges. Many governance terms lack precise translations, making expression difficult. 4. Interview disadvantage. While regional languages are allowed, English is often preferred, affecting articulation in complex discussions. 5. Career constraints. English fluency is essential for official communication, reports, and international dealings. Final words. Dear aspirants, UPSC tests endurance, knowledge, and character, not language. Success depends on dedication, strategy, and determination. Toppers have proved that language is no barrier. Believe in yourself, stay focused, and work relentlessly. Your perseverance and passion will define your success. Rise above doubts, embrace your strengths, and conquer UPSC. Your time is now. Subscribe to this channel for exclusive topper insights, expert strategies, and the smartest IAS preparation tips. Stay ahead in your journey to success.